Hey Stamp Shack ladies, I'm going to help you work on your borders on your quilt. You've already done the top and the bottom borders, and now it's time to add the sides. So here we've already got the top border on, and then we trimmed off the extra that hung over the edge, and now you're going to actually take your side borders and then you're going to line them up like so, and you're going to attach it to the back side of the quilt. Pin it like that, so when it opens up, this will be right here, and then the rag part will be right here. I hope that makes sense. No good technical words, but so I'm just going to line this up. I'm going to line my stitches up and pin it and pin it again, and then when you get to the seams, you want to fold them open flat and pin that open, so when you sew, you'll sew it down. And then we'll just keep going. You want to pin, I don't know, maybe every 5 inches or so, just so it doesn't slide around on you and move around. And then when you get down to the bottom, you're going to have a hangover, not that kind of hangover, a hangover of your fabric, and you'll want to trim it off. So again, open up your seam when you get to it, like I'm doing here. And then you want to pin it down, because when you get in there with your machine, you want it to stay opened up and flat. So I'm just going to keep pinning along every 5 inches or so. Make sure our seams are lined up, our 1/2 inch seam allowance is lined up. Okay, and we're getting down to the bottom. When we get to the bottom, again, you want to pin it all the way to the end, but we will trim off that excess.